Alright, so today we got something that may not look flashy, but it is absolutely essential if you are getting the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, or to be honest, any phone, and that is a good screen protector. Now, SmartDEVIL that actually reached us to get and send this a 2-pack screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and since the tin case that I'm using right now doesn't really protect the front at all, I figured that this is a perfect chance to test and share my experience with you. So even though this video is sponsored by SmartDEVIL, my thoughts and review are completely my own, so no input from them at all. Inside, you will get 2 sets of everything. Basically, you're gonna be wipes, microfiber cloths, and dust removal stickers. All numbered in order so you know exactly what to use and when, which is super helpful. You also get an alignment frame that makes installation super easy and a small instruction guide. And of course, 2 tempered glass protectors, which is definitely a nice all-in-one kit. Now, the whole setup is supposed to make installation quick and bubble-free, and honestly, it really does. And here how it goes. Remove your case first, even if it is a slim one like mine. Then you're going to clean your screen using the step 1 wet wipe, and do this pretty thoroughly, so make sure that everything is clean. And then you're going to use the step 2 microfiber cloth to dry it up and polish the screen as much as you can to make sure that it's very nice and smooth. Then use the step 3 dust sticker to pick it up any leftover particle, which is gonna be really important if you do not have that under your screen protection when you install it. Once the screen is clean, flip the protector over and attach the alignment frame so it locks into place at the top and the bottom. Now, this is a key to make sure everything aligns up right, so very important to do this part correctly. Then place your phone inside the frame, hold it firmly, pull the tab to remove the protective layer, and swipe down in the middle. After that, remove the frame and use the cloth to press out any tiny bubbles around the edges, if there are any at all. So for me, it installed perfectly. No bubbles, no dust, nothing. Super clean. As you can see, was no bubbles at all. Was just things a little bit in the edge that I have to actually use the cloth number 2 just to make sure that was all even, but it installed super perfectly right in the first time that I applied that to my phone. As you can see up close, the protector is very slim, so it looks really great and feels really smooth. After that, I pop my Pitaka back on my iPhone, so I put the case back, which I have a review in my Amazon storefront, which the link is going to be in the description below if you'd like to check it out. The quick review for this case that I'm showing as well here. Now, after using this for a few days, here is my thoughts. So the clarity and feel on this screen protector, the display still looks sharp, no dimming, no color shift. The touch feels just like the original screen. Very smooth and responsive with no delay while scrolling, typing, or gaming. Now, the durability and protection, I have not really dropped my phone yet, but it definitely feel like a solid extra layer for protection. For every day to use it, this is definitely already a win. Now, the case compatibility actually is really nice, especially with a slim case, if you do plan to use a slim case, because the 2.5D round edge does help a lot. So actually, this helps to be very smooth and actually part of your case, so it's really nice. So my final opinion about this case, if you are using the iPhone 17 Pro Max and want an affordable, easy to install, good quality screen protector that keeps your screen looking and feeling like it should, the SmartDEVIL 2-pack, it is a solid pick. It performs well, it does not compromise your display and also the touch experience. Now, if you are rough on your phone or drop constantly, you may want something more heavy duty or full coverage. But for most people who just want a reliable protection in a clean style, this hits the mark. Also, a super tip over here, if you wanted to install this screen protector, just make sure you're in a dust-free area. Take your time, line it up, and remember, you got a backup protector in the box if you ever need it. And that's it. This is today's review for the screen protection for SmartDEVIL. Now, if you would like to watch any other video from this channel, go ahead and click on those videos up here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.